Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message.
MRSA is an infection caused by a type of Staphylococcus, or staph bacteria, that's resistant to many different antibiotics. These bacteria naturally live in the nose and on the skin and generally don't cause any harm. However, when they begin to multiply uncontrollably, a MRSA infection can occur. These infections typically occur when there's a cut or break in your skin. MRSA is very contagious and can be spread through direct contact with an infected person.
The truth is, although it does happen on occasion, it is still rare that staph skin infections become life-threatening in a healthy person. Once diagnosed, effective treatments are available.
It can also be contracted by coming into contact with an object or surface that an infected person has touched.
The truth is, many people have staph bacteria on their skin normally and have no ill effects. While these people may pass the bacteria on to others, simple self-care measures can help prevent the spread of MRSA infection in yourself and keep you from spreading it to others.
Though a MRSA infection can be very serious, it may be treated effectively with the proper antibiotics. Hopefully this video serves as a reminder of the importance of wearing gloves when handling blemishes. Do you think people understate the importance of gloves? Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in your body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It is an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.